Today we're going to go over how to find events and organizations in Engage. First things first, go to Student Resources and get involved on the MCC homepage. Here you'll see Student Life and Leadership's homepage. If you scroll down a bit, you'll see Engage in your Spartan Experience. Now you can either click the link or we have this really fancy button on our homepage that you can click as well. You've made it to our Engage homepage. First, we're going to sign in by entering our Surf ID and password. And before we go any further, I just want to highlight these three boxes at the top. This is where we put any important dates, information, or events. Now let's practice looking for events on Engage. We'll go up here to the Events tab, click on it, and it'll show us all the events currently happening. Now let's say you want to search for an event. Let's search for tacos. Oh great, so now we found our events. We're going to go ahead and click on it. And here we'll find all the important information about the events. So we have the date, the time, and even the online location, and a chance to RSVP. Let's head back to the homepage and click on the Organization tab. Here we're going to try to search for an organization. Let's try searching for the Film Club. Oh, perfect, so we found them. So we're going to go ahead and click on the Film Club tab, which takes us to where we can find all the information about joining this club. There's also room for events. It doesn't look like they have any right now, but that's where they'll be in the future. And that's pretty much the tutorial on how to work Engage. Please let us know if you have any questions.